My name is Cesar Rojas. Actually, I work on the Teradata Aster, which is a big data division of Teradata. And my role is pretty much solutions marketing for data scientists and Hadoop. And basically, that's how I'm supporting this specific show. Teradata traditional business has been on data warehousing primarily, but now actually with the acquisition of Aster Data 2 years ago, we actually have a solution for data discovery, which is what we're actually presenting at this particular conference. And what we have is a solution that allows you to do big analytics on data, from data acquisition to transformation to actual analytics, all the way to visualization. And in this whole actually analytical process, we actually provide functions out of the box for users to use, and these are pretty much users that actually understand SQL. So the barriers to entry of any user to use this technology is kind of low. Knowing SQL is sufficient. You don't need a data scientist to do this kind of analysis. I mean, if we actually do something very well, it's actually that we provide some level of democracy to these analytics by not having the data scientists actually being involved, but having the business analysts that know SQL actually engage in this technology and start doing big analysis on their data. What we see is actually a number of distributions of Hadoop actually adding SQL into the Hadoop processing, actually SQL environments into the Hadoop processing. I think that's a trend that is happening this year, and actually started in some way last year, by the end of that last year, and now this year it's actually getting more prominent. And what we see is actually, we see that as an interesting validation of our model of actually using SQL as the primary way to actually do analytics on big data, which we've been providing for a number of years now. So it's a validation from the Hadoop market that actually we are right, and we also have our ways to get into actually processing on Hadoop data on a SQL environment and within our database. We're all about analytics, and we have portfolios of functions specifically for that, for the, as I said, business analysts to do analytics, and we're going to keep improving on the analytical power of our technology, and that's our goal primarily this year. Potential any announcements that are related to analytics, we're a step above of only processing, but actually giving access to users on how to do analytics, and that's our goal for this year primarily.